Hey there, this is Michael from DockerUP, a free tool to Dockerize your app. Today we'll be looking into Dockerizing UGET, a neat YouTube downloader written in Python. Let's first clone it and get back to the project page. As you can see, it's setup tools based, so let's start by picking Python, entering app name, choosing setup.py for dependencies, and simply copying our future image. Let's create a Docker file and paste it there. Now we'll invoke the build, tagging it as we'd like. When it's done, we can test it out. Since UGET is a YouTube downloader, it requires a video URL as an argument, so let's use a random one. And as you can see, it works out of the box. So that's it. Hope you'll enjoy DockerUP. It's free and awesome. Peace!